Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID failing after iOS 18.3.1 update. If you have updated your iOS version and now your Face ID is failing, so let's see how can we fix it. For this, you just have to open your phone settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. Select it, then enter your passcode, and after that you just have to look for a setting which is stolen device protection. Just select it, and here you can see the setting has been on. You just have to turn it off, and after that go back, and here just turn it off correctly, and then go back and go to home screen. In home screen, you just have to make a force restart with phone. So let's see how can we do this. For this, you have to follow a simple method, which is quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First, volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your phone screen will be fully black. Just wait for it, and here you can see my phone screen has been blacked. Now wait for the Apple logo, and here's the Apple logo. Now release the button and put your phone here, and after that your Face ID will be fixed and it will work after update. So that's how you can fix Face ID failing after iOS 18.3.1 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.